Hey, sneaker enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something truly special to dive into. The New Balance 1906U Lunar New Year pack. As 2024 marks the year of the dragon, New Balance has taken the celebration to the next level with these two stunning colorways. I'm about to break down every detail for you, so let's jump right in! If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and drop a like on this video. Now let's talk about the Lunar New Year and the unique New Balance 1906U. So, before we get into the nitty-gritty, did you know that 1906 in the shoe's name is a nod to the year New Balance was founded? Interesting, right? But let's fast forward to 2024 and the Lunar New Year festivities. New Balance has released two captivating colorways, and today, we'll be focusing on the standout pink version. All right, let's get into the shoes. These kicks are already available on the New Balance website, and let me tell you, they are turning heads. Priced at $175, a bit above the usual 1906 range, but as we explore the details, you'll see why it's justified. Now, the first thing that caught my eye was the unconventional shade of pink. It's not your average New Balance color, and it reminded me of exclusive collaborations like the Joe Fresh Goods series. Take a look at the materials. A mix of mesh, leather, and synthetic panels. But what sets these apart is the elevated take. Introducing the 1906N, breaking down the details. The toe box is a masterpiece with extra panels, featuring a light pink leather mudguard and a darker pink panel with unique dot patterns. The transparent plastic panel on the toe box adds a futuristic touch with silver metallic details that extend throughout the shoe, especially on the N logo. Unlike the regular 1906, this Lunar New Year kicks ditch the mesh for a ripstop material, a significant upgrade in quality. And can we talk about those special pistachio green insoles? It's the little details that make these sneakers stand out. From a comfort perspective, the Energy midsole is a game changer. Trust me, you can walk in these all day. I'd recommend going true to size, but if you prefer a snug fit, half a size down should work. Before we move on, drop a comment below and let me know which colorway you prefer. The striking pink or cream with yellow accents. Decisions. Wrapping it up, the New Balance 1906U Lunar New Year edition is undeniably a cop for me. It might not be everyone's cup of tea, but if you're a New Balance enthusiast, these are a must-have for your collection. The uniqueness, the quality, and the overall aesthetics make them a standout pair in 2024. Now I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on the Lunar New Year 1906U? Drop your comments below, hit that like button. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Also, catch me on Instagram for the latest updates. Until next time, peace!